Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to enable voice chat in Tacticool. To enable the voice chat in Tacticool, first make sure that you have the latest version of Tacticool installed on your mobile device. Now open up the Tacticool app and then tap on the menu button at the top left corner. From the expanded menu on the left, tap on Settings. Now, click on the audio option from the Settings menu. There you will see the voice chat option which you'll need to toggle on, and right after you do that, you will be able to turn on the voice chat feature. The voice chat feature will be available after reaching the rating 1750, so before that you will not be able to enable the option. After you have reached the rating, you will then be able to turn on voice chat on Tacticool. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.